Here we are going to discuss the practical number 4. The aim of practical is to demonstrate the use of different HTML tag of internet programming subject. Now, the aim of practical is to create simple HTML file to demonstrate use of different HTML tags. Here you observe the output. What is how we create a one output page where it has different types of tags, where we use the bold tag, where we use the italic tag, where we use the pre tag. What are the different types of basic tags here we have in unit number 1, that all the tags here we have discussed and here we apply and show one output. Now here we are going to execute the practical, and again we are discuss the what is the code related to that practical. Now here we have created one tag.html file. We open that file here. Now the file is opening. Here we are going to observe the what is the output of that file. Here you observe Tulsiram Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology. After that, here you observe the two lines. Under the two lines, we are have one text which is scrolling. Welcome Information Technology Department. Either it will be the right scroll or left scroll. Again, you may observe Information Technology Department, Computer Science. Under that Information Technology Department, you may observe Computer Science and Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Electrical Engineering, and Electronics Engineering, which we have here declared using the heading tags. We know that we have the H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag, H4 tag, H5 tags. Up to that 6 tags here we are now we apply all that 6 tags here for two Information Technology Department, Computer Science Department, Mechanical Department, Civil Engineering Department, Electrical Department, and Electronics Department. After that, again we have the listing tag. We have the order list tag. We have the unordered list tag. Okay, we have the definition tag. So such types of tags here we have used, that is called as the order list. If we 1 2 3 4 5 6, that means it where we use the order list tag. Now here you may observe the text element, listing tags, line break tag. You may know that how we break the lines by one using the BR tag. Now here you may again observe the block code tag. This is called as a block code tag. Using the block code tag, you can display the text as like here. Pre tag. What is the use of pre tag? So this here you may again observe the what is output of pre tag. Logical style. We know that we have the different types of style. Okay, so what are the different types of we have here use the different type of style. Again here we use the superscript, subscript concept. Okay, underline tag, we have the different types of tag: underline tag, superscript tag, subscript tag. Okay, italic tag, bold tag. So such types of tags here we use the bold tag. Again here we use the italic tag, superscript tag. Okay, subscript tag. Now physical style. What types of physical style here we again use the physical style. So these are the different types of tags here we have used. Now we are going to discuss the code related to that practical, that is practical number 4. Here you observe that whole HTML file is comes under the HTML structure only. As title, HTML tags, body sections, HR tag. With the help of that HR tag we can draw the horizontal line. Okay, you also observe that there is a one horizontal line in our output. Okay? So such types of line we can draw using the HR tag. Okay, now here we use the font. What are the font? Tulsiram Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering. Mark you directions. Here we use the right directions. You may use the left directions also. So according to you may want to left directions or right direction. That means you want to scroll the text in either left direction or right direction. You may direct from here right or left. Okay, so if you want to left you may write here left. Okay, after that here we use the h1 h3 h3 tags, that is called as a heading tag. Okay, now again we have used the paragraph tag. Okay, listing tag. What are the listing tag? We know that OL tag here we have used under that OL tag we have used the different types of faculty. you may again observe. Again after that we have closed the OL tag. Okay, center break line tag, again here we use the break line tag. Okay, network lab, graphics lab, engineering lab. Okay, three labs here we have, and we have break the lines. After computer lab, next line we find that computer graphics lab, software engineering lab. So these are the three lines. Okay, HR tag. Center tag, again we here use the center tag, how block code tag. So these are the pre tag here we use. So these are the different types of tag here we have used. Okay, this is related to practical number 4, where we have used the different types of HTML tag. What are the different types of HTML tag? Here we have that all such types of tags, most important tags here we have use to develop one web page. Okay, what are the different types of tag? Here we use the pre tag, here we use the bold tag, list tag, order list tag, unorder list tag. Again here block text tag, italic tag, superscript, subscript, lit tag, pre tag. Okay, so all such types of tags, what are the basic tags here we have, all tags here we have used. Okay, this is related to practical number 4. So thank you.